Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I will be reviewing one of the most popular moisturizing lotions. It is from a very well-known brand name Cerave. It is called the Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It is made for normal to dry skin and it is said to have MVE delivering technology which gives you hydration throughout the day. And I usually use it in conjunction with the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, which I will be reviewing in another review. So please keep an eye out for that. So usually this combination works really great for me. I have acne prone skin. My skin is combination with dry patches and a little bit of oily T-zone. Now, this is an oil-free moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, and I think I recommend looking for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides to help restore and maintain skin's protective barrier. As you can see, the lotion, it is more like a lotion consistency, spreads extremely easily, non-tacky, non-greasy, and the best part is it gets absorbed very quickly, doesn't leave any kind of greasy or sticky feeling, as you can see. So I love this when it's in any form of moisturizing lotion. I hate to work things into my skin and having to wait for for a long amount of time to get things absorbed. Now this particular lotion is formulated with three essential ceramides that work together to lock in the skin moisture and help restore your skin's protective barrier. So if you have irritated skin, inflamed skin, or damaged skin with a lot of active ingredients that you might be using as part of your skincare, then this is a good calming therapy for your skin. It is going to help restore that protective skin barrier with the help of ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So that's great. And the MVE technology actually helps keep it running throughout the day, so that comfortable gentle feeling on the skin is going to last for a long time. And the 24-hour hydration is truly something that this lotion delivers. Now this is very, I would say, very affordable. This is a 12 fluid ounce bottle. It costs somewhere between $13 to $18, and it lasts a long time. You probably need a little bit more than a pea size amount to use daily, so which is great in terms of affordability. And I think this lotion pretty much works for all skin types across the board. If you have irritated skin, if you have very sensitive skin like I do, if you are scared to actually experiment on different moisturizers, if you're acne prone or have rosacea or anything of that sort, this is great. This is pretty safe. It is dermatologist approved by dermatologists, so I haven't seen any sort of issues that come up with this lotion. In the worst case scenario, it might actually not really do everything as it claims for you, but it is definitely not going to damage your skin further. So I think this is an extremely safe bet if you are trying to look for something which is non-irritant, not going to damage your skin further. I think this is a definitely a must have in your routine. And this is the one of the good thing about this lotion. And I think with most of the quality skincare is that it is fragrance free, it does not have alcohol in it, it is not going to dry out your skin further or irritate it more, and it gets absorbed very easily, leaves no trace behind, and actually sinks into the skin. I hate skincare that literally just sits on the top of my skin, especially if it is a moisturizer, and actually does not do any good for my skin internally. So this get absorbed into the skin. You can feel that absorption happening, and I actually feel it does some work at least on the protective barrier layer to help restore it. So this is basic and effective skincare. It is price to ratio is very reasonable, and it pretty much works like for all skin types. And I don't think there's anything wrong with this moisturizer. It is great, it is globally available, it gets the work done, and that is the most important part when it comes to something as basic as a moisturizer in your skincare. And it is good for people with sensitive skin, with acne prone skin. It's not non-comedogenic. It is not going to clog your pores, and it is not going to give you that heavy greasy feeling. So if you're somebody who likes to wear makeup every day, this is a good moisturizer to have underneath. It is going to feel lightweight. It is not going to, if you're, you belong to humid climate areas, this is not going to cause you to sweat or feel tacky at the end of the day. So I think that these are all the big pluses for this height for this moisturizer. So this could be your everyday moisturizer. It is it is a great thing to have in your daily skincare routine. You can actually, have the travel sizes to be used whenever you travel, have one in your purse. So I think it is pretty universal, easy to use. And the good thing is, because it is so universal, multiple members in your family can use it. Like, I use it, my sister uses it, my mom uses it, and everybody loves this. So I don't really have to keep buying different skincare for different members of my family, and it is one size fits all in this regard. So it works great for everyone. And I like that about, skincare. It is easy, basic, gets the job done. And it is definitely going to actually give a bang for your buck. So great moisturizer, helps get its job done. I think this is something you should definitely give a try if you are in the market looking for a good moisturizer. Don't want to spend a lot, just want to try something new, or something that suits you better. Definitely give this one a try. I think this is a must have for anybody who is, who pretty much want to, have a moisturizer handy, does not need a lot of work and commitment. And then this is something that you should have in your skincare routine. So take a look, try it out, and let me know how you like it. Thank you.